You're watching iLovei. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And today we're in West Covina and we're checking out this place called Pizza Supreme.
So this place was featured on Insider and they have this pizza box that's got like 12 different pizzas in one. And we're about to check it out for y'all.
It's every Instagrammer's dream. What up? All right, so we got the pizza box here. Look at this. This is like an Instagrammer's dream for pizza.
They give you all flavors in one box.
And Sonny's favorite, pineapple. We're saving that just for him.
Oh yeah. Whoever puts pineapples on pizza should be crucified in front of the public.
They got a couple of interesting ones. The tomato pizza. They got a jalapeno one.
They got a mushroom one.
And back to the pineapple one, Sonny. But let's check it out. So, I mean, it's like basically 12 individual pizzas all in one box. I want to try this tomato one.
I want to try this LAUSD looking one.
that does remind me
of
school.
I just gave my lunch ticket to get one of these.
Dude, those lunch tickets were the best.
Almost tastes like LAUSD. Not bad.
It's not bad. The bread of the pizza is nice and soft.
It did take a while for us to get this pizza. Like, I mean a while, like
30 minutes.
It's like 45 minutes.
Yeah, if you're gonna order this, you probably want to order it on the phone while you're on the way here. But, I mean, other pizzas come up faster.
They do.
Let's check.
They also give you the basics. You know, you get this so you can sprinkle it on the motherfucker.
On his LAUSD pizza.
Yeah.
Let's try this jalapeno pizza.
Try this. This might be salami. It looks like salami. Let me see. Yeah, it's salami. I'm
gonna try this sausage. Oh, this is like meatball. So they have their you can get it standard, like basically this is just like the toppings that come with this box, but you can customize it too. You can customize your own ingredients. It's like a quarter each. So you can put some weird shit.
Bread's good.
Yeah.
It's crispy where it needs to be crispy. It's doughy where it needs to be doughy.
And the quality of the meat's actually
salami is good. It's probably, I like this one. It's good.
Yeah, you can tell they put good quality in the ingredients. It's bomb. Hey, if you guys come check this, if you've gotten here, and let us know if you've ever come here and what you think about this pizza in the comments below.
Hey, make sure you follow our social media. Hit that like and subscribe button.
Yeah.
Smash it.
And also do us a favor, share this with your family and friends.
Because they'll love it.
And we're going to catch you in the next video.
Peace.
La, 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 la.